It's well known that Cat machines are built to be rebuilt, giving customers the opportunity to boost their sustainability credentials, reduce costs, and give their machines a second, third, or even fourth life. That's exactly what Stokey Plant Hire decided to do when one of its hardest working Cat dozers was coming to the end of its operating life. The decision to rebuild the machine came down to several key factors: sustainability, cost, reassurance on performance, and reliability. Each rebuild has its own dedicated team of engineers. The engineers disassemble all external and internal components from the machine. Once the full scope of work has been agreed, the logistics of the rebuild can be finalised, including ordering all major components. Because all the major components had been pre-ordered, the engineers worked continuously on the reassembly with no downtime waiting for parts to be delivered. Once the major powertrain elements are refitted and the cab reinstalled, everything is connected, oil and coolant topped up, ready to restart the machine. Track frames are put back on using engine drive to reconnect the track link assemblies and reinstall all the panels and reassemble the blade and ripper. The performance testing is one of the most critical phases of the rebuild, where the team do some fine-tuning to ensure all components are within Caterpillar's approved specifications. The machine is fully washed and any belly guards added, ready for its paint job. The finished as new machine is then handed back to the customer.
We've been delighted with the level of input and communication throughout this entire project. This is the first rebuild that we've commissioned Finning to do, and I have to say we're blown away with the finished result. It looks and sounds better than ever. What's impressed us most is the level of expertise across the Finning team and professional pride in the work they do, from the project management to the quality of the engineering work and commitment from all the team throughout.